Good morning, guys. Hope you're doing well. It's been a while since I was out photographing and recording video. I've been busy with moving and all things around it, but we have finally moved, and hopefully things will settle down a little bit, and I can get more time taking photos and recording video. I miss you guys. I miss making videos. I miss the calmness. I miss the creativity and all of it. So it feels really, really nice to be out, and it's a beautiful morning. There are a few mallards, or a lot of mallards, at this local wetland, but nothing really exciting, to be honest. I saw a couple of white-tailed eagles, and I think that's the most exciting part of this morning. Don't really have high hopes at all. I don't really think I will get any award-winning photos nor any close photos of the mallards, but it feels nice to be out, and I think that's the most important, to just go out and enjoy nature and enjoy photography and do the things that you love to do. I think it's beneficial for your mental health, for your self-being. But yeah, it's truly remarkable morning, and hopefully some birds get closer so we can get some nice photos. So that's it. I've been here for about 2.5 hours now. The sun is too high and the light is too harsh, and there are nothing going on except for the white-tailed eagles, there wasn't too much going on. There was a common sandpiper landing next to me, but I was too late to react. And once I saw it, it was gone. Other than that, there was not too much going on. I had some beautiful light in the morning. Unfortunately, you know, but had a great morning anyways. And I hope to spend more mornings here as the season progresses. It's early July, so as you know, there aren't too much going on. But once autumn is coming around the corner, things should change. And hopefully I will be here to photograph something really, really beautiful. But anyways, I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please leave a like, comment, and do consider subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. See you on the next one. Bye.